You want to become fast video editor? Well, you come to the right place. So here are 6 techniques to become fast and better video editor than 99% of other video editors. So the first one is using proxy. But first, what is proxy? So there are different types of video quality. Obviously, when your video's quality increase, the size of the video also increase. So when you edit inside of Premiere Pro, normally Premiere Pro doesn't well run this video formats. It leads you to performance issues like slow playback, lagging, or even crashing. So here is when proxy comes. Proxy are a lower resolution version of your original footage that can be used during the editing process. Using keyboard shortcut keys are very essential for speeding up your workflow instead of reaching every tools by your mouse. So here are some shortcut keys. Plugin are an extension that allowing users to do more advanced video editing tasks easily. Plugin provide extra elements and templates that aren't included in the default program. Here are some popular plugins for Premiere Pro. And if you want to get free plugin for Premiere Pro, click here. I create a detailed video about it. Organizing your file are very essential for both quick access of your folders and speeding up your editing workflow. For example, this is how I personally organize my folders. I grouped everything in their section. Using an already customized workspace or make your editing process faster. To run Premiere Pro smoothly, you need to remove unwanted background processes, softwares, open Tasks Manager, and select unwanted process softwares and remove it. If you want to get free plugins, make sure to check this video.